So guys, yesterday we were selling this and guys we hit our target which was 1.35225 guys. The price came down, went back up again and came down again. So that was a success guys. So guys, the question remains, what are we going to do today? Today guys, today is a bit confusing. Because guys, on the daily chart, why is it confusing? I'll explain. Because on the daily chart, guys, we had this kind of bullish reversal pattern right here, double top W, a small single top, whatever you, sorry, double bottom right here. We had a double bottom right here, and we had this big bullish move, whatever you like to call it. So on the 4H, guys, we are also still bullish. We had this consolidation at this range. We came back down again. Now we had this big rejection candle, and the price is moving up. And on the 1H, guys, we broke this high. We're testing this high. So it could mean we could be going higher. So let's check out the 15-minute, guys. On the 15-minute, guys, obviously we broke this high. So guys, for today, I'll keep it simple and keep in mind, guys, it's Friday. On Fridays, guys, I like to get out fast. Profit or loss, I just want to get out. So guys, as long as the price stays above 1.35160, guys, my target will be 1.35463. Okay, guys, and if the price breaks below 1.35160, guys, we are bearish, and guys, we will be going for 1.34742. It feels like a dull day. I would avoid trading this pair anyways. A lot of better opportunities elsewhere. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.